Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this trending freeze frame transition in the CapCut mobile. So just add two videos like this and then click on the second video and go to freeze. So it will create a freeze frame like this. Trim the freeze frame into around 0.3 or 0.2 seconds. Okay, like this, and then make it as overlay. So find the overlay button like this, and now remove the background of the overlay. So click on the remove PG, and here use the auto removal. Okay, the background is removed. Now drag it into the end of the first clip like this, and then add a keyframe at the end of the overlay. And at the start, here make the object small. Okay, like this, and you are done. So this will be the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.